So on 7.2.2, we have to differentiate, but before you can differentiate, you have to use I don't know if you want to use quadratic equation or whatever you want to use. So you can use two methods in this case. So I'm gonna use this formula, factorize. So I'm gonna factorize. So I'm gonna have 2x plus 3, x minus 2. So those are my factors. So those are my factors. That's what I'm gonna use. So let's, after factorizing, you know that you're gonna multiply this with that. So that's how you prove your factorization if it's correct. So you're gonna have 2x squared there, 2x squared there, and then the second one you're gonna have minus 4x, then plus 3x, then the last one will be minus 6. The last one will be minus 6. So do you see that you've got minus? So it's like you've got 3x minus 4. You're gonna get minus x. So that's correct. That's correct. So your factorization is correct. Then now you can move to the next step. You see? So before you differentiate, you always simplify. You always simplify before you differentiate, guys. So in this case, you're gonna have, in this case you're gonna have in this case you're gonna have this and this cancelling, then you'll be left with d over dx, open bracket, x minus 2. You see there, x minus 2, close bracket. So you're gonna say the differentiation of this, they mean that you have to differentiate the what is inside the bracket. So you're gonna say d prime of dx is equals to, so you're gonna have what is the differentiation of that. So it's more like you're differentiating each one of them. So you're differentiating x, and then you're gonna differentiate 2. So you're gonna have, what is the differentiation of x? So remember the formula, ax to the power of n. It's a standard. Then when you differentiate this, you're gonna have n ax to the power of n minus 1. So what is your, in this case, you've got 1 there. You've got x to the power of 1. So you're gonna say 1 times x to the power of 1 minus 1. And remember what I said, with a constant, always when you've got a number alone without x, you put 0. And then d prime over dx will be equals to 1, because it's 1 times x to the power of 0. What is x to the power of 0? Any number to the power of 0, it's 1. So your answer there will be equals to 1.